Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Crystal, and in this video I am going to be working on this dresser behind me. This was a curbside freebie that we picked up off the side of the road. It was in pretty good condition. I had a couple of issues. We had to fix the drawer slide thingy, but yeah, other than that, it was a pretty quick and easy flip, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Okay, so I'm going to mix this paint and this paint together because I don't feel like I have enough to cover my whole piece here. I'm not really sure what color it's going to make, but I don't really have very much of this left. There's only a little bit. So I'm assuming it's just probably going to lighten this other color up just a tinge. I like to use a mister bottle and just kind of spritz my piece with some water as I'm brushing on my paint. This helps to minimize brush strokes and spread that paint out nice and smooth. I'm using this metallic luster. It's like a wax or like a gilding paste or something like that. I've never used this before. I wasn't really sure what the best way to apply it was, and I started out with just using a paper towel, and that seemed to go on okay. And then after a bit, I went and got a small artist brush because I was just having a little bit of an issue trying to get the wax into like the smaller cracks and crevices. So the small artist brush kind of helped with that issue that I was having. The inside of the drawers were actually in really great condition, and I don't normally add anything inside of the drawers when they're in this good of condition, but I just felt like I needed a like contrast or something with the dresser, so I decided to go ahead and do that. This is just some peel and stick wallpaper, and it was really simple to put in. I purchased this on Amazon and it was fairly cheap. A roll of it was like around $8. And I love the texture of it, and the color was really pretty, and it just added a really nice kind of surprise when you open up the drawers. I really don't have a great area to stage my photos or take pictures, so I just kind of make do with what I have, and I try and make everything look nice and pretty and professional as best as I can. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe, and I will post another video somewhere around here. If you are interested in watching that, please check it out, and have a great day. Happy creating. Bye.